Hello everyone! Today I am super excited to share something really cool with you all. Many of you ask me, Ali, how can we make some extra money online? It seems like a big, tough mountain to climb, doesn't it? Maybe you think you need lots of technical skills or very expensive computers and software. Well, I used to think that too until I found a fantastic tool. This tool has genuinely helped me boost my online income, and the best part is, it is not complicated at all. I'm talking about Deepseek AI, and it's been a total game changer for me, yar. I promise that by the end of this essay, you will see exactly how Deepseek AI works its magic. I will show you how it helped me make actual money. And no, you don't need to be a coding guru, you don't need to spend lakhs on fancy gear either. This is about using a smart tool smartly. It's about making your work easier and faster. Imagine having a super intelligent assistant who is ready to help you 24/7. That's what Deepseek AI feels like. It helps with writing, with ideas, and so much more. It's like having a superpower for your online ventures. The journey to earning online can sometimes feel a bit lonely or even overwhelming. There are so many options, so many things to learn. But what if I told you that one single tool could simplify many tasks? Deepseek AI has done just that for my workflow. It has helped me create content much faster. It has helped me reach out to more people. And yes, it has directly contributed to my earnings. I am not promising a get-rich-quick scheme here, boss. That's not my style. But I am promising to show you a effective way to use AI. So, stick with me. We are going to explore Deepseek AI today. I will break down everything step by step in simple terms. We will look at what it is, how it helped me, and most importantly, how you can use it too. Forget all the complicated jargon. We will keep it simple and practical. My goal today is to empower you with knowledge. Knowledge that you can use to start your own online earning journey or to make your current one even better. Let's begin this exciting adventure, shall we? A quick intro. So, what is this Deepseek AI I keep talking about? Let's break it down very simply. Deepseek AI is a very smart computer program. Think of it like a highly intelligent assistant that understands and can write text just like a human. It is a type of artificial intelligence, specifically a large language model. This means it has been trained on a massive amount of text and code. This training allows it to understand questions, generate creative content, write different kinds of text, and even help with computer code. It's really quite clever, you see. Deepseek AI comes from a company in China called Deepseek Technologies. They are doing some amazing work in the field of AI. Their goal is to create powerful AI tools that can help people in many ways. One of the great things about some of Deepseek's models is that they are open source. This means that the underlying code or parts of it are available for others to see, use, and even modify. This openness encourages innovation and allows more people to benefit from the technology. It's a big step towards making AI accessible to everyone, not just big companies, which I think is fantastic. This AI is particularly good at a few things. It's known for its strong reasoning abilities. This means it can understand complex problems and come up with logical solutions. It's also very good at coding, which is writing instructions for computers. While we are focusing on non-coding ways to earn, this underlying strength makes it very versatile. It supports both English and Chinese languages very well. This makes it useful for a wide range of people and businesses across the world. Its ability to handle different tasks makes it a powerful tool in your digital toolkit, believe me. The team behind Deepseek AI is constantly working to make it better. They are focused on improving its performance, making it understand more nuances, and expanding its capabilities. This commitment to development means that Deepseek AI is not just a one-time wonder. It is an evolving technology that will likely become even more helpful in the future. For us, as users, this is great news. It means we have access to a cutting-edge tool that keeps getting more powerful and more useful for tasks like content creation and online work. It's truly an exciting time to explore such tools. Now you might be thinking, Ali, there are so many AI tools out there. What makes Deepseek AI so special? That's a very valid question, Yar. We have tools like ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, and many others. Each of these tools has its own strengths, for sure. I've tried many of them myself. They are all quite impressive in their own ways. They can write, they can chat, they can help with research. It's like having a whole team of AI assistants available at your fingertips, which is quite amazing when you think about it. However, I found Deepseek AI to be particularly good for certain specific tasks that help me make money. For instance, some of its models are highly praised for their coding assistance and logical reasoning. While I said no coding needed earlier, its strong logical foundation seems to make its general text generation very coherent and well-structured. When I ask it to create an outline for a blog post or draft an email, the output often feels more targeted and less generic compared to some other AIs I've experimented with. This quality makes a big difference in professional contexts. Another reason Deepseek AI has become my go-to is its performance on certain benchmarks. If you look at technical comparisons, Deepseek's models often rank very highly, sometimes even outperforming more widely known models in specific areas, especially their newer versions. This isn't just about numbers, it translates into better quality output for my work. For example, when I need a piece of content that requires a bit more depth or a more specific tone, I find Deepseek delivers results that require less editing from my side. This saves me a lot of time, and time is money, as we all know. Ultimately, my preference for Deepseek AI for certain tasks comes down to a combination of factors. It's the quality of the output, the specific strengths like its reasoning capabilities shining through in its writing, and sometimes even the speed. Plus, knowing that it's backed by a dedicated research team gives me confidence in its continued development. It feels like a reliable partner in my content creation process. It's not about one AI being definitively the best overall, but about finding the right tool for the right job. And for many of my money-making tasks, Deepseek AI has proven to be incredibly effective. Alright, theory is good, but let's get practical. Let me walk you through how I actually use Deepseek AI. Imagine I need to write a blog post. First, I open up Deepseek AI. I will give it a topic, say, easy ways to save money for students. Then, I ask it to generate a blog post outline. Within seconds, pop! It gives me a structured outline with an introduction, several main points, and a conclusion. This already saves me so much brainstorming time. It gives me a solid framework to start with. Next, I take each point from the outline and ask Deepseek AI to elaborate on it. For example, if a point is cook meals at home, I'll ask Deepseek to write a paragraph or two explaining why this saves money and give some simple tips. It generates the text and I review it, maybe tweak a few words here and there to match my style. I repeat this for all the points. Before I know it, I have a full first draft of a blog post. This process, which used to take me hours, now takes significantly less time. It's like having a super fast writing assistant. Let's take another example. Writing a cold email for freelancing. This can be tricky, right? You want to be persuasive but not pushy. I tell Deepseek AI, write a cold email to a small business owner offering my content writing services. Highlight benefits like saving time and getting more customers. Deepseek AI then crafts an email. It usually includes a polite opening, clearly states the service, highlights the benefits, and includes a call to action. I then personalize it with the business owner's name and specific details about their business before sending it. This makes my outreach much more efficient. And what about YouTube scripts? This is a big one for me. I often start by giving Deepseek AI a video topic and asking for a script outline. Just like with the blog post, it gives me a structure hook, intro, main content points, examples, and a call to action. Then I can ask it to flesh out each section. For example, write an engaging hook for a video about Deepseek AI, or explain the benefits of using Deepseek AI for content creation in simple terms. It generates the script segments, I piece them together, add my personal anecdotes, and voila, a script is ready for filming. Section 5. Show me the money. Real proof of my Deepseek earnings. Okay, Ali, you've told us how you use it, but did you actually make any paisa? Yes, absolutely. And I believe in being transparent, so let me share some real examples. One of the first ways I earned money using Deepseek AI was through freelance content writing. Remember that blog post creation process I described? I used that exact method to write articles for clients. Clients needed well-researched, well-written articles, and Deepseek AI helped me deliver them much faster than I could on my own. This meant I could take on more projects. I started offering my services on freelance platforms. I would use Deepseek AI to help draft proposals and, of course, to create the content itself. For example, a client needed 5 articles on digital marketing trends. Using Deepseek AI for research, outlining, and initial drafting, I was able to complete the project in record time. The client was happy with the quality and speed. The payment for such projects, say a few $100s here and there, started adding up. It wasn't millions overnight, but it was real, tangible income generated with AI assistance. Another significant area where Deepseek AI contributed to my earnings is my YouTube channel. As I mentioned, I use it to help script my videos. Better scripts often lead to more engaging videos. More engaging videos mean higher audience retention and more views. And as you know, more views and better engagement on YouTube translate into higher ad revenue. So, indirectly, by helping me create better content faster, Deepseek AI has definitely played a part in increasing my YouTube earnings. The ad revenue is a clear indicator of this. It's important to understand that Deepseek AI is a tool that amplifies your effort. It doesn't magically create money out of thin air. I still had to find clients, manage my YouTube channel, and add my unique insights. But Deepseek AI made the core task of content creation so much more efficient. This efficiency directly translated into more output, better quality in some cases, and ultimately, more earnings. So, yes, the proof is in the pudding, or in this case, the bank transfers and ad revenue reports. It truly works if you use it smartly. Section 6. 5 easy ways you can earn with Deepseek AI. No tech skills needed. So, you are probably wondering, how can you use Deepseek AI to earn money? Let's look at 5 practical methods. These don't require you to be a tech wizard or a coding expert. The first method is creating blog posts and articles for others. Many businesses, small and large, need fresh content for their websites. You can use Deepseek AI to help you research topics, create outlines, and write engaging articles. Offer your services as a freelance writer on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even directly to local businesses. It's a great starting point. The second method is writing compelling cold emails. Businesses are always looking for new customers. A well-crafted cold email can open doors. You can use Deepseek AI to generate persuasive email copy. Offer this as a service. You could help businesses with their outreach campaigns. Many companies are willing to pay for emails that get results. Just remember to always get the AI-generated email reviewed and personalized. No one likes a robotic, generic email, so your human touch is key here to make it truly effective and genuine. Third, you can produce engaging YouTube scripts. With the rise of video content, many creators and businesses need help scripting their videos. If you have a knack for storytelling, you can use Deepseek AI to help structure and write scripts. Offer your services to YouTubers or businesses looking to start a channel. You can help them create content that keeps viewers hooked. This is a growing market, and good scriptwriters are always in demand. You can help them plan their content calendar and ensure a steady flow of video ideas. Fourth, consider developing content for newsletters. Newsletters are a popular way for creators and businesses to connect with their audience. But consistently creating newsletter content can be time-consuming. You can use Deepseek AI to help draft newsletter sections, curate content, or even write entire issues. Offer this service to busy entrepreneurs or content creators. A well-managed newsletter can be a valuable asset for any brand. Your role would be to ensure the content is valuable, engaging, and perfectly tailored to the newsletter's audience using AI as your powerful assistant. Section 7. More smart earning ideas, using Deepseek AI creatively. Beyond those initial 4, there's a 5th popular method leveraging Deepseek AI for coding-related tasks, even if you're not a pro coder. Now I know I said no coding skills needed for the main methods, but Deepseek is particularly strong with code. You can use it to generate simple code snippets for websites, help debug small programming issues, or even explain complex code in simple terms. You could offer services like basic WordPress customization help, or simple Python script creation for small specific tasks, using Deepseek AI as your powerful coding assistant to guide you. Let's explore even more avenues. How about generating social media content? Businesses and influencers always need a stream of posts for platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. You can use Deepseek AI to brainstorm content ideas, write captions, create tweet threads, or even draft short video scripts for Reels or TikToks. Package this as a social media content creation service. Help clients maintain an active and engaging online presence. This is a huge market, and with AI, you can manage multiple clients efficiently. Another fantastic opportunity lies in crafting product descriptions for e-commerce stores. Good product descriptions can significantly boost sales. Many online sellers struggle to write compelling copy for hundreds of products. You can use Deepseek AI to generate persuasive, benefit-driven descriptions. Offer this service to Shopify store owners or Amazon sellers. Help them make their products shine and attract more buyers. Clear, concise, and SEO-friendly descriptions are gold in the e-commerce world, and AI can help you produce them at scale. Finally, consider offering AI-assisted research services. Students, researchers, or businesses often need to gather and summarize information on various topics. You can use Deepseek AI to quickly find relevant information, summarize long documents, or extract key insights. This can save your clients a lot of time. Position yourself as a research assistant who uses AI to deliver comprehensive and quick results. Always ensure you verify the information, as AI can sometimes make mistakes, but it's an incredible tool for speeding up the initial research phase. Section 8. A little bit of advice: the human touch still wins. Now, while Deepseek AI is an amazing tool, I need to add an important cautionary note. Please do not rely 100% on AI-generated content without any review. AI is incredibly powerful, but it's not perfect. It can sometimes make mistakes, misunderstand context, or produce content that sounds a bit generic or, dare I say, robotic. The magic truly happens when you combine the power of AI with your own human intelligence and creativity. Think of AI as your super smart intern, not the CEO of your content. The personal touch is absolutely crucial. Your unique voice, your experiences, your insights, these are things that AI cannot replicate. When you use Deepseek AI to draft a blog post, for example, always go back and edit it. Add your own stories, inject your personality, and refine the language to make it truly yours. If you are writing an email, make sure it sounds genuine and empathetic. People connect with people, not with algorithms. Your personal touch is what will make your content stand out and build real connections with your audience. Fact-checking is another non-negotiable step. AI models, including Deepseek AI, learn from vast amounts of data. However, this data might not always be up to date or entirely accurate. So, if Deepseek AI provides you with a statistic, a historical fact, or any specific piece of information, take a moment to verify it from a reliable source. Publishing incorrect information can damage your credibility, and we definitely don't want that. A few minutes of checking can save you a lot of trouble down the line. It's a professional habit worth cultivating. So, remember, Deepseek AI is a tool to assist you, to augment your abilities, not to replace you. Use it to overcome writer's block, to speed up your workflow, to generate ideas, but always be the final editor, the quality controller, and the creative director. The most successful online earners who use AI understand this balance. They leverage AI for efficiency, but ensure that the final product reflects their unique brand and meets high-quality standards. It's about working smarter, not just harder, with AI by your side. Section 9. Your turn to shine. Get started with Deepseek AI today. So, there you have it. We have journeyed through what Deepseek AI is, how I have personally used it to generate real income, and several practical ways you can also start earning with it. We saw that you don't need to be a tech whiz or have a lot of money to begin. The main things you need are a willingness to learn and a bit of creative thinking. Deepseek AI can be your partner in this, helping you create content, reach out to clients, and build your online presence much more effectively. I genuinely encourage you to give Deepseek AI a try. Explore its features, play around with its capabilities, see how it can fit into your existing skills or help you develop new ones. You might be surprised at how intuitive it is and how much it can streamline your work. Remember the examples we discussed: blog posts, emails, YouTube scripts, and more. Pick one that excites you and just start experimenting. The best way to learn is by doing, and with AI tools becoming more accessible, there's never been a better time to start your online earning journey. If you found this essay helpful and want more tips and tricks on how to use AI tools like Deepseek to make money online, boost your productivity, or learn new skills, then make sure you subscribe. I regularly share my latest findings, experiments, and strategies that can help you level up. We are all learning together in this rapidly evolving world of technology, and sharing knowledge is key. I'm always testing new things and will happily share what works with all of you. The future of online work is increasingly intertwined with AI, and tools like Deepseek AI are at the forefront of this change. By embracing these tools and learning how to use them effectively, you are not just keeping up with the times, you are positioning yourself for success. So don't be hesitant. Take that first step, explore Deepseek AI and start thinking about the possibilities. You have got this. I'm excited to see what you will create and achieve. All the best and happy earning.